Now let's render all messages stored in the model using the build message row. Here first, let's have a reference to the table body. So we have defined the table as a placeholder. Inside the table body, we are going to render the messages. So I have a reference to that. Const t body is a view wrapper, query selector, t body is there. Then let's have another quick reference to message list. Message list is a controller model message list. So we have a quick reference to that. And then if message list is null, that case is when we load the message list, if any error occurs, we reset to null. So just let know that. What we want to do is a const div element. Let's create a div element. The div element and inner HTML. Let's say that error getting the message list. So here is loading the message list from file store is some detailed message, and then t body. Let's attach t body, append this message as a child. Another case is else if message list length is 0 is another case. In this case, const div element, let's create, and the div inner HTML, no message found, that is a no message posted. And then t body, let's append t div as a child. And then now we are ready to render an array of messages. So what we do is something like this. Let me get one by one, confirm that for each message from the message list. We create a tr element. So build a message row returns a tr element, that is correct, and then append to the table body part. So that is what we need to do. And this part, fetch part may cause some errors, but this is just the local ones, so we don't actually need to worry too much about that. But if you care about that, what you could do is something like this. So here, try, give that because this is await, and then up to here is catch, alert, and this one. Let me format the document. So because of this asynchronous call here, what you do is try. So wrapper is created. So try part, everything goes okay. But if fetch error occurs, then we have a error message there. And then the error message, we visually alert that. Then since the wrapper is going to be rendered, what you could do is view wrapper inner HTML. We can just set that error loading home.html. Loading, actually fetching home.html, and that message will be rendered. So that's a more appropriate. Let's test the code. Shift to reload. The message part, the email and timestamp are there, but the title and contents are not there. On the console, contents title is there. So in our code, the build message row, so this part is not working. Another one I can notice is that each message should have a doc ID assigned. So in the file store controller, we assign doc ID to each message, but the doc ID is not showing up in a message we have defined the doc ID. That ID is added there. Since doc ID is not showing up, there's something wrong with that. Then if I examine get message list, doc ID is set. Message list, oh, there's a mistake. What I pushed to the array is a message object, but not message object. So that is the error. So instead of M, I should have pushed the message. That's one error. Shift reload. It's not fixed there, but in each message now tag ID is there. Then let's look up the code for building message. So TD message, we have added a title and then contents, then followed by TD poster. Oh, TD poster. The contents are here, but I have used the TD message, so that's the typo I have made. So this should be TD poster. Because of that, things are messed up. Shift reload. Now we have a title, and those are there. But title I intended to show in a white color. In the text white, there is a typo there. Shift reload. Everything looks good, and that shows up.